विष्णुना सदृशो वीर्ये सोमवत्प्रियदर्शनः कालाग्निसदृशः क्रोधे क्षमया पृथिवी समः. Vishnuna sadrishaha becomes sadrisho because of sandhi. Virye somavat priyadarshanaha is a compound word. Kalagni sadrishaha is a compound word. Visarga changes to jihvamuliya. Krodhe dhamaha pranaha. Kalagni sadrishah krodhe because of sandhi. Kshamaya prithivi samaha is a compound word. Prithvi thi is Mahapranah. Vishnuna sadrisho virye somavat priyadarshanaha kalagni sadrishah krodhe kshamaya prithvi samaha. Dhanadena samastyage satye dharma ivaparaha tamevanguna sampannam Ramam Satyaparakramam. Dhanadena is a compound word. Dhana dhas mahapranaha. Samaha, Visarga changes to su there. Tyage, samastyage because of sandhi. Satye, dharmaha dhas mahapranaha. Visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Iva, dharma iva. Aparaha, iva paraha because of sandhi. Tam, Evam Guna Sampannam is a compound word. Evam ends in Anuswara followed by Ga Guna Sampannam. So the Anuswara changes to Nga, which is the nasal or the Anunasika of the Kavarga. So Evam Guna Sampannam becomes Evam Guna Sampannam because of Sandhi. Ramam Satya Parakramam is a compound word. Dhanadena samastyage satye dharma ivaparaha tamevanguna sampannam ramam satya parakramam. Jyeshthan jyeshtha gunairyuktam priyandasharathas sutam prakritinam hitairyuktam prakriti priyakamyaya. Jyeshtham thas mahapranah. Jyeshtha gunaihi is a compound word. Jyeshtham ends in Anuswara followed by Jyeshtha gunaihi ja. So the Anuswara changes to nya, which is the nasal of the Chavarga. Jyeshthan jyeshtha gunaihi because of sandhi. Visarga changes to repha. Yuktam jyeshtha gunair yuktam because of sandhi. Priyam Dasharathaha is a compound word. Thamha pranaha. Priyam ends in Anuswara followed by da Dasharathaha. So it becomes Priyan Dasharathaha. Anuswara changes to nu. Dasharathaha thas mahapranaha. Visarga changes to su. Sutam. Dasharathas sutam because of sandhi. Prakritinam hitaihi. Visarga changes to repha. Yuktam. Hitair yuktam because of sandhi. Prakriti priyakamyaya is a compound word. Jyeshthan jyeshtha gunair yuktam priyan dasharathas sutam prakritinam hitair yuktam prakriti priyakamyaya. Yauvarajyena sanyoktumaichat pritya mahipatihi Tasyabhisheka sambharan drishtva bharyatha kaikayi. Yauvarajyena is a compound word. Sanyoktum aichat chas mahapranaha. Sanyoktum aichat pritya mahipatihi is a compound word. Tasya abhisheka sambharan is a compound word. Both bhasa mahapranaha. Tasyabhisheka sambharan because of sandhi. Drishtva bharya bha mahapranaha atha bharyatha because of sandhi. Atha thas mahapranaha kaikayi. Yauvarajyena sanyoktumaichat pritya mahipatihi तस्याभिषेकसंभारान् दृष्ट्वा भार्याथ कैकेयी पूर्वं दत्तवरा देवी वरमेन मयाचत विवासनञ्च रामस्य भरतस्याभिषेचनम्. Purvam Dattavara is a compound word. Purvam ends in Anuswara followed by Dattavara, the. So the Anuswara changes to N, which is the nasal or the Anunasika of the Tavarga. Devi Varam Enam Varamenam Ayachata Enam Ayachata Vivasanam Cha. Vivasanam ends in Anuswara followed by Cha. So it becomes Vivasanancha. Anuswara changes to Nya. Ramasya Bharatasya Bhasmaha Pranaha Abhishechanam Bhasmaha Pranaha. Bharatasya Abhishechanam because of Sandhi. Purvan Dattavara Devi Varamena Mayachata Vivasanancha Ramasya Bharatasya Abhishechanam.